Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's session, we'll be seeing email package and automation anywhere. So before we start with the actions in the bot, let me first tell you what mandatory things you need to do. So let me first go to the settings. Okay. So you can go to the settings. And just go to the Gmail part and I'll show you how to go to the settings. So here if you click on see all settings, okay, and then go to forwarding and pop slash IMAP. So here you have to enable the pop. Okay, so this is mandatory. You have to enable it, and then you can go to the accounts here. I'll tell you why. So then go to security. Okay, so here you have to make sure you have to enable two-factor authentication. So to enable it, you can use your phone number and then you'll get a OTP. Because why we are doing this, because we need to generate the app password. Okay, so to generate the app password we need to enable two-factor authentication. You can just search the app password. You can search it directly here also. You'll get it. So after doing that, you just make sure you copy that app password because it will not be visible later. Okay, so I'll tell you where to use that password. So then we'll go to the bot. Okay, go to the email package. So this is the connect action email package. So here initially we have mentioned the session name. And make sure you follow the same session name in all the other actions of the email package. And then since we are using email server, I have ticked this use secure connection. And then host is pop.gmail.com. Port is 995. I'll just show you here. Okay, for incoming mail. Basically, pop is used to retrieve the email from the mail server. Okay, the port number is 995. Then the protocol is POP3. Authentication is basic. And here the username is basically the Gmail ID, and the password is the same password app generated password which we copied before, like we got here with security. I have added a credential variable here. Okay, so just make sure you copy that app password somewhere so that later you can use it here. And then I have used a loop just to look through all the mails in the mailbox. And here there is an option like you can select all. Again, you can select read, unread. Okay, and from which specific folder you want, like inbox or any other folder. Then here I have put one more constraint like IT support, like, and the subject will be IT support. It will read that mail. And also I have mentioned from specifics, and this is my Gmail ID. Yes, you can put here you can put any other sender mail ID, whichever you want. And also there is option to put like when received date is on or after. You can just put a date like which date you want. Okay, and this is assigned to the dictionary variable. I'll tell you how this works. So, okay. So these are some of the email properties. Like if you want an email subject, we can use this. Then there are other things as well, like email message, receive time. Okay. So I have put one more constraint, like if the email subject include IT support, then I want to display the email message. Okay. Basically, I have just dictionary variable. I want email message. Just copy this from here. Insert. Okay, so let me just send a test mail with IT support. Let's say hi team, not giving any other details here. Just send this mail. Okay, now let me try to run this bot. Let's see what message we are getting. Yeah, we got our message. Okay. So in this way, you can connect to the Gmail, your mail, and read the mails or any other things you want to do with the mail. You can do that. Let me show you how we can use send mail action. Disable this. So here, we need to mention whom we need to send a mail. Then the subject of the mail, the message, what we need to send. Also, we can add an attachment here. We can directly just add, yeah, from a desktop file or any control room file. Okay. So since this is an email server, we need to specify the email server hold like the smtp.gmail.com. This is for basically SMTP is used basically it is used to send a mail from the sender device to the receiver mailbox. Okay, and then the port number which is 587. Yeah, and here use secure connection. I have done true, and my server require authentication also true. And same thing in username you have to mention the mail ID, and in the password is that app generated password which I have used here. Okay, so let's just run this and see what mail we are getting. Yeah, so yeah, we got the mail. I think this is a new mail. Thanks, maybe. Also, there is something to like save attachment. We can use this within the loop. So here we need to just specify the file path. Here there is option to specify the file path, and also there is something called save all the attachment from the mail. Yeah. So this is it for today's session. I hope you have understood how to use email action in Automation Anywhere. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.